Hello everyone, peace of Christ to all. Today we will continue with our alphabet, and this is the letter Ta. If you remember, we took before letter A, Ba, and now Ta. Now Ta is a letter which can be connected from two sides. You can review my previous videos to refresh your memory. Ta, this is how it looks like. This is how it is by itself. Independent, not connected. This is how it is as a first letter. This is how it is as a second letter. And second letter mean something is going to be after between. All right. So like there's a letter in the right and letter in the left, and this is how it's going to be between. And this is how it's going to be where it is at the end. Now we will show you example how to write the letter Ta. Remember we said before that Ta, as if there is a after. Ta, ta, but in fact there is no letter A. You see, we pronounce it, but it's not there. All right, this is when we pronounce the letter alone. Remember, later we will see there's vowels we add to the Arabic, and that will change the sound and how you say it. So now let us see how we can write the letter Ta. It's very simple. We can say we have a very simple rule for all the letters which is different from the letters we showed you, those who cannot be connected from the left. You remember there's a few letters cannot be connected from the left. To refresh your memory, we have A, Da, those are in red, The, Ra, Za, and Wa. Those letters cannot be connected from the left side, which means they can be connected only from the right. But if they are the first letter anyway, it means they cannot be connected to anything if they are the first letter. Those R letters are special. The rest, as we see, or as we will see later, we can connect them from right or left. It doesn't matter. Same as letter Ba can be connected from both sides, and letter Ta is the same, can be connected from the right or the left. It doesn't matter. Now we said before that always letters when they are at the end, they go back to the original shape, if you remember. All right, so we said what happened with my okay, all right, this is the letter Ta when it is by itself, two dots. Very simple. It's like you are drawing a dish, wide dish, flat, a little bit flat. All right, so if it is in the beginning, we make this edge and we put two dots. If it is in the middle, we make the line edge, two dot. If it's at the end, it's going to be connected for a letter before it. You remember the video before this one, we wrote the word bait. Bait have the letter Ta at the end, so it's going to be like this, bait. This is letter Ba, the first one, the dot for it, and then the two dots for the letter Ya, and then two letters for the Ta. Bait, bait, which mean home or house. All right, so Ta in the beginning, as you see it here, by itself. Ta as a first letter, Ta as between, and Ta at the end. So this little thing here before the Ta we see here, this is just to connect. It doesn't matter really what is the letter before it. It doesn't matter. All right, so at the end all letters usually they go to original. Take that in your mind, so you will not be confused how I'm going to write the letter at the end. All letters will go back to the original, which is, as we see here, this is the original. So when the letter it is at the end is going to go back to the original, with one different. If it is a letter from those who accept connection, is going to have something here to connect. All right, so in the case of Ba, letter Ba, if you remember, we said Ba, then Ba, then Ba. So if Ba at the end not in the beginning as in the case of Bayt. So let us say Habib, Habib. Ha b ya b Habib, which mean lover. Okay, so Habib have two ba, one as a second letter, as we see here. This is a second letter. Let me change the color so okay, I will highlight it. This is Habib, and this is the dot belong to Habib, and this is the dot here, the first ba, and this is the second ba. You see it? Very simple, very easy. So all what need to remember is how to pronounce it and how to write it. The reason I'm giving you how to pronounce the letter and how to write it, that will make our education a lot faster, a lot easier, because now we are not separating the information like, you know, brain work like a computer. If you store the information in one cell, both they come together. So this is how it's written and this is how it's pronounced. Ta, ta. Like in English we say let us say there's some names, some companies, some like this, they start with ta. It's no, like nothing really special. Tender. In English you say tomorrow, ta, but because there's o, you say tomorrow, ta. It's the same as the ta. There's no different really. Ta in English. So it's very simple, very easy, and writing this way, if we learn the method, is going to be a lot easier for us, because it doesn't matter really where the location. We gave you the letters which are cannot be connected from the left, so those we be aware of them. The rest are very easy, you know. Now later we will show you that there is letters who have two dots at the top and one dot in the top or underneath. So right now we have the ta. It is the kind have two dots. You see there's two dots. Let us go back to the writing. So we have two dots. This is the ta again, and there's one dot, one dot. Now later when you became advanced in writing, when we write in Arabic, nobody really put dots the way you see it. So let us say, I want to say akalt. I make this, you see this sign, which is two dot connected. But for now, keep it this way so you don't be confused. All right, you know, this is how we write in Arabic, and everybody understand it very well. This little thing here, it's mean two dots. All right, so but for now, because you are in the stage of learning and you don't want to make mistakes, just keep it two dots as it is. So let us say I will write another word, sharibt. Sharibt. This is sha. Sha is a letter have the three edges with the three dots. Sha. Ra. Bit. This is letter ba, and this is the letter ta. So here in this word we have two letters we learned already, which is the ba, this one, and the ta, this one. All right, sharibt. Now you see how the ba come at the beginning. All right, the ba is coming in the beginning in this case, as we see here. This is the ba, and this is the ta is coming at the end. Very simple, very easy. So if you have a question, please feel free to post underneath of the video, and don't hesitate to ask me questions. Don't worry, you are not putting pressure on me. I'm here to help you, and you will see how fast and how easy you will learn. Just follow with me easy, you know, and don't really think it's really hard. Always teachers make things harder because they don't know maybe how to deliver. So I think the way we are doing it is very simple, very easy. Soon we will finish all the alphabet, and you will see how easy then is going to be to start making words and sentence and speak in Arabic. With this I say thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends so they can join us in our channel. God bless. Thank you.